whatever we want in life, it's a lot easier to obtain if we define the actual parameters of that for ourselves. So here's an example of what the hell I'm talking about. So I have a friend who wants to be a filmmaker, and another friend of mine, we were talking, and the second friend asked me, well, what does this person actually want to do within filmmaking? I was like, you know what? That's a really good question. I don't even know. And so I had spoken with that original person who wants to be a filmmaker, and I said, what do you want to do? And they said, they don't know, right? And that becomes very difficult for me or anyone else to be able to help them out and, potentially offer them jobs that I may know of and stuff like that, or have myself if I don't know what they're looking for. And part of it is what they want is a little bit difficult, right? So I gave them a creative exercise. I said, listen, just literally write down like your ideal job, whatever it may be, and take the shackles off, if you will, like be as bold and inventive. Like, what do you actually want? Like, I don't care if it's, gardening and, filmmaking and playing tennis, like whatever it is, like what is the ideal job? And, just write it all down, right? Don't put logic aside and let's figure it out. Now what I said to them was that this job may not exist today, but it also, if this is what you truly want, it gives you a North Star. And oftentimes, I've seen plenty of examples of people that they create their own sort of life and create their own position and their job role if they know what they're looking out for, right? And that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. But it starts with defining, as I said, those parameters to be able to know what the hell that you're trying to achieve and go after. So I would actually encourage you to do the same. Now, you can do this with your career. You can do this with other aspects of life as well. But you have to really, set the time in and define what it is that you're looking for, And again, that first part is just all inhibition aside. Just put whatever it is on that dream list and figure it out. And then, again, starting off, you might have to be able to be realistic of, what doesn't apply and, where you can get your foot in the door and stuff like that. Like, we all have to take those first steps in order to build and whatnot. But again, at least you have that trajectory. You have a path you're going towards as opposed to just mindless wandering and so forth, right? So I hope this gives you some perspective. I hope it helps you towards your trajectory of whatever it is that you want in life.